Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is FATIMAH MAHAZAH binti HATTA, and together with my group members, we carried out a measurement and taking off exercise for precast reinforced concrete span piles. This assignment is based on the reconstruction project of Sekolah Menengah Sains Kuching Sarawak. The objective of this study is to demonstrate the systematic taking off process and the preparations of quantity calculations and bill of quantities in accordance with the MyCESMM2 method of measurement. So, let us begin with the project foundation plan and pile information. Next, before carrying out measurement, it is important to understand the purpose of piling work. They provide structural stability and are commonly used when the surface soil is unable to safely support the building load. For this project, the pile type used is a precast reinforced concrete span pile with diameter of 300 mm. The foundation plan shown on this slide was used to identify pile cap locations, pile arrangement, and pile types. These drawings serve as the main source for all quantity calculations carried out in this assignment. Move on to the next slide. This slide presents the taking off list and query list used during measurement. The taking off list contains all piling work items measured in this project, which also include planning equipment, supply of extension piles, depth driven for initial and extension piles, pile head preparation, and pile testing. So, several assumptions were also established through the query list to standardize the calculation, such as pile length of 9 meters, driving depth of 21 meters, and pile joint thickness of 50 millimeters. These assumptions ensure consistency and accuracy throughout the measurement process. Next, this slide shows the calculation of initial piles based on the foundation plan. There are 4 types of pile cap were identified, namely as P1, P2, P3, and P4. The number of pile caps for each type was counted directly from the drawing. And these quantities were then transferred into the measurement sheets later used in the preparation of the bill of quantities.
These slides presents the extension pile calculations and the actual extension pile length to be driven. Based on the assumed driving depth of 21 meters, additional extension piles were required beyond the initial pile lengths. The calculation determined that a total of 216 extension piles were needed. The actual extension pile driven lengths were calculated separately for each pile type. The results show extension driving lengths of 252 meters for P1, 504 meters for P2, 252 meters for P3, and 288 meters for P4. Therefore, the total actual extension pile driving length is 1,296 meters. The extension pile calculation also generated quantities for pile jointing and cut-off works. Next, this slide shows the dimension paper prepared using the measured quantities obtained from the taking off process. The dimension paper records all measured quantities according to standard measurement practice. The quantities highlighted include 216 extension piles, 972 meters of initial pile driving, 1,296 meters of extension pile driving, and 108 cut-off piles. Jointing works were calculated based on the total number of extension piles multiplied by the pile joint thickness of 50 millimeters, resulting in a quantity of 10.8 meters. The dimension paper serves as an important document because it links the measurement calculations to the final billing process.
We have come to an end where this slide presents the final bill of quantities for the piling works. The measured quantities obtained from the taking off sheets and dimension paper were transferred into the bill of quantities using the appropriate MyCESMM2 descriptions and units. The preparation of bill quantities is the final outcome of the measurement and taking off process, providing a structured documents for cost estimation, tender preparations, and project cost control. In conclusion, this assignment demonstrates the importance of systematic measurement procedures in producing accurate quantities, minimizing errors, reducing material wastage, and supporting effective construction project management. And for that, thank you for your attention. That's all from us.